People have always used and indeed depended on wetlands. The question now is how to balance human needs with the ongoing health of these precious systems. In other words, how can we use them without using them up? The morning began with a celebration of World Wetlands Day.
Today's activities are therefore intended to raise awareness on the importance and the need to use the resources wisely
and focus on the real everyday needs facing the people who own and manage wetlands. That is, more applied research. Not only to undertake applied research, but to ensure the scientific information gets to those who need the information.
Even though the preservation of wetlands is a serious affair, there was still time for some lighter moments.
If there were no wetlands, it was going to be a problem. It's like we're going to be like deep in the Sahara, because we will not have all the cattle, we will not have everything. See, like this area is a semi-desert, so we benefit mostly like us in the north on the wetlands. So if no wetlands, no life.
I have great importance to me. Since here in Botswana, we are catered for by the government. Hence, as one of those people, I benefit a lot since school fees are paid for through that revenue that is provided by the wetlands.
So people from different countries come to Botswana to come and view our wetlands. So we gain from that.
Conserving the wetlands is going to reduce or slow down climate change, and that is going to help people from all over the world.
To me, I think it's just, I view it to be a natural source, a beauty made by God.
I think we have an opportunity now because we have all the scientists here, like as I've indicated, good brains, decision makers, lawyers and so forth, researchers, presenting papers, ideas and issues and so forth, interrogating these issues. But I think at the end of the day, maybe I should suggest that we should have something which is implementable.
I'm impressed by the great community that has gathered here. There are a lot of scientists all over the world, America, Australia, Brazil, etc. And those guys are very good in water issues.
There are a lot of research is going on, but we don't have the complete picture yet. So we want to get the knowledge together as fast as possible to build a new platform and go on.
I think that a conference like this works on two levels. There's the scientific interchange, which is really important and fills people like me with excitement. And there's also the fact that the wetland here and the work that we're doing here has attracted all these people, and that should be something that's celebrated by everyone in the town and probably everybody in the country.
One of the afternoon sessions dealt with the drainage of the Mesopotamian marshes in Iraq. It raised many interesting questions about how to best resolve conflicting needs in an extremely challenging region.
Obviously, increasing world population and regional populations are very significant factors in making it really difficult to manage wetlands for the future. But there's no point in waving your hands in the air and saying it's too difficult, because it's too much an imperative to actually do something, because the natural environment really underpins all of the economic and the social and the cultural wealth that we have in most parts of the world, if not all.
I don't think that just to study things is enough. We have to take something out of science that is useful for people, that is useful for the future generation also.